Hey, what's up, stackers? This is Silver Slayer. Welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you so much for tuning in. We have a silver unboxing to do today. I don't know what it is, but unboxing videos are my favorite. Silver unboxing itself is half the fun of stacking. I don't know why. It's just like when you get it in the mail, there's nothing like it, right? There really isn't. And guess what? You could be also receiving a box of silver in the mail like this if you click subscribe, because I'm doing a 55,000 subscribers silver giveaway. The entry video is live right now. The link will be in the description or the pinned comment. I also give an ounce of silver away once a month to one of my lucky random subscribers. So a lot of silver given away to a lot of different people. May the luckiest stacker win. And this is from Bullion Max. It's just, I'm so grateful. This company is so good. I mean, they have a really great deal right now. The 5-ounce silver starter kit, 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing. Obviously, it's only one per household. It comes with coins like a Type 2 Eagle, the New Britannias. I mean, you know, great deals. And they always package their silver so good as well, which that is something to always you know, keep in mind when you buy from somewhere, is how good they package the silver. Hopefully I didn't share the the invoice on this. Let me make sure. Let me take this invoice out. Okay, so they have it in bubble wrap. And then here we go. We have the first box. I mean, look at how good this packaging is already, right? They take their time, which is so important, right? The way a company packages their silver, that shows, I mean, that's a great way to tell how good the company is and how they care about handling it. I mean, that speaks for itself, honestly. And Bullion Max always has the best packaging out of any company. I've done unboxings from, I can't even try to imagine how many places, but Bullion Max always has the best packaging, right? There's a box. Well, first there was a box, this original box that I opened, right? This box, which was bubble wrapped, inside of this box, which was also bubble wrapped, and then you have inside of this, and then this is also inside of more bubble wrap, and then you have your coins. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got some silver. All right, well, let's check this out. So first, you see a big 10-ounce bar. Now, this is a great bar. I've never had this this company before, but I like how it's in the vacuum seal. I might keep it in this, even though it's just a normal bar. But when I go to resell it, you know, I'm sure the potential buyer would like it if it's in this. You know, and that's a really important thing to remember when you're stacking your silver, is think about your potential buyer. If you were gonna buy off yourself, wouldn't you rather have this bar in this rather than just out of this and all scratched and dinged up? Sometimes that can, you know, save yourself keeping making that extra dollar. So now we have some beautiful coins. Now these are new. These are brand new coins, brand spanking new coins. And here, hold on. They package this stuff so good. I mean, I'm sure even if this takes me a while, I'm sure like you guys don't mind watching this. I know silver stacking or unboxing videos, it's like ASMR. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like relaxing. I don't know, it's really relaxing to watch people unbox silver. I need a knife, by the way. I don't have a knife here in my new place. Okay, now we got it. So we have an ounce, or actually, are these 2 ounces? Hold on. These are 2 ounces. Wow. I was like, these things are chunky. Wow. These are 2-ounce coins. Or wait, no, they're 1 ounce. They're just really chunky. Huh. That is weird. I honestly thought they're really thick. That's really interesting. Wait, this is a 2 ounce. Okay, now I thought I was tripping. Okay, this is a 2-ounce coin. This is a 2 ounce, right? Because I saw this one, I was like, oh, it's 2 ounce, but then these are 1 ounce. So, what is this? Okay, you shouldn't do this. I don't recommend it, but I'm going to take it out. This is a oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a 2 ounce 2021 Great Barrier Reef turtle. You can see right there, it says 2 ounces. This thing is awesome. Wow. The only other 2-ounce coins are the Queen's Beast series that I've ever had. This thing, wow. Let's just admire the beauty of this coin real quick. Then you have the P right there, the Perth Mint. Let me know. Rate this coin 1 to 10 for me. Oh, that'd be a fun game to do for unboxings. Rate each piece of silver 1 to 10. Also rate this bar 1 to 10. Now let's get to the new coins. This is what I was talking about, the new coins that just released. These are the 2022 1 ounce. And I don't even remember what the name is of the coin, but I know they just released. And Bullion Max has them. So if you want to get any of this from Bullion Max, the link's in the description. I think these are more of them. Yeah. 2022s. These things are gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. So we got 3 ounces of those new coins. We got 2 ounces right here. So we got 10 ounces of silver in this unboxing. We got the 2 ounce Great Barrier Reef. We got 3 ounces of these new coins and a 10 ounce bar. Gotta love it. Gotta love silver. What do you think about this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen? Rate each of these 1 to 10 for me. What do you think about these new coins? Are you going to pick these up? I highly recommend it. I'm not going to take, actually, I'll take one out just for the content. Just for the content. If I wasn't a silver stacking channel, and, you know, but I got to show you guys, right? I got to do my due diligence and show you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm only taking these out for the sake of the video so you guys can get a closer look. Oh my gosh. Got the unicorn and the dragon. These coins just came out. So maybe the first time you've probably the first time you've seen anyone on YouTube unbox these, because Bullion Max always sends me new coins when they come out that they sell on their site. So shout out to Bullion Max. Shout them out for supporting the silver stacking community. This coin is just so cool though. There's just something about this coin. I don't know. It's not just the 2 ounces either. I mean, look how chunky that thing is, though. That thing is thick, man. Holy crap, that thing is thick. But then you gotta love the 10 ounce bar. Hey, actually, here is my other 10 ounce bar. We got 20 ounces of silver in one hand. Wow. Which bar do you like better? The Britannia or the Asahi, or however you pronounce it. They're both almost exactly, yeah, they're both identical in dimensions. Pretty cool. Love 10 ounce bars. Do you guys like 10 ounce bars? Let me know. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this unboxing video up here. Remember, I'm doing a silver giveaway. So if you are someone who wants some silver, I'll definitely be giving one of these away in the giveaway. Because I want you guys to have one of these bad boys. Want one of my subscribers to get a chance to get one of these for free. And, you know, that's just what happens when you're subscribed around here. I give a lot of my silver away. Most of my silver away, honestly. And not even kidding. But yeah. Alright, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.